Hi, I'm Caleb, and this is Team Solo. Our capstone project is called Budget Beacon. The idea is simple. It helps people take their income and expenses, especially when income changes week to week, and quickly see a clear budget summary by week, month, and year. It's not trying to be a full banking app, it's a practical budgeting tool you can actually build in this course. Budget Beacon helps adults track income and expenses, especially when pay varies week to week, so they can understand what they can safely spend. Users enter income and expenses like rent, groceries, taxes, subscriptions, debt payments, and one-time costs. The app converts everything into consistent time frames, shows totals, leftover money, and warnings when expenses exceed income. It matters because many people don't have a single place to see the full picture, especially hourly workers, students, and anyone juggling recurring bills and debt. A few constraints to keep in mind: it's manual entry only, no bank linking, basic budgeting features first, and data privacy with secure login. My target users are everyday adults, but especially two groups: hourly workers whose checks change week to week, and students or young adults who have recurring subscriptions and loan payments. A realistic use case is, say, someone gets paid on Friday, enters their paycheck amount, quickly confirms their recurring bills and any one time expenses, and immediately sees what's left for groceries, gas, and personal spending, plus warnings if they're short. These user stories are written to be testable. The core of the app is CRUD, CRUD, on income, expenses, and debts with authentication. The unique piece is handling variable income, so the user can enter either a normal amount or a realistic range. Then the app calculates weekly, monthly, and yearly totals, show what's left, and warns when the budget doesn't work. This is the core journey. The user signs up, creates a budget, adds income, adds expenses and debts, and then lands on a dashboard. The dashboard shows totals by week, month, and year, plus what's left over and any red flag alerts. The second wireframe is the add item form, where the user can add an income source, recurring expense, one time expense, or debt. This keeps the UI simple and focused on the primary workflow. To prove feasibility, the data model matches the features. A user owns budgets. Each budget has income sources, expenses, and debts. Income supports a variable mode using min-max. Expenses can be recurring or one time. A snapshot or report object can store computed totals so the dashboard loads fast. The API is intentionally small and matches the MVP. Authorization uses JWT. And budgets are the parent object, and incomes, expenses, and debts belong to a budget. The summary route returns weekly, monthly, and yearly totals plus alerts. Then that lets the frontend stay clean and keeps calculations consistent. This project fits a standard full stack pattern. React handles the UI and forms, Express exposes REST API, and MongoDB stores user budgets and items. JWT secures routes. If time allows, charts can visualize spending by category, but the MVP is focused on correct CRUD and correct calculations. I believe that's pronounced CRUD. My apologies. My MVP is intentionally small and buildable: authentication, full CRUD on the main objects, variable income handling, and accurate summaries with alerts. Stretch goals are visualization and scenario comparison, but only after the MVP is stable. I'll execute in sprints even though I'm solo, rotating focus areas. First milestone is getting authentication and the database models working. Second is full CRUD with correct calculations and a summary endpoint. Third is UI polish, validation, and demo readiness. The biggest risks are scope creep, authentication issues, and calculation edge cases, so I'll mitigate by locking MVP early, testing routes with Postman, and using test budgets to verify weekly, monthly, and yearly conversions. despite myself being the only one working on this project, I will do my best to create the main essentials, and if time allows, I will create some extra bells and whistles for this project. And that is the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening.